Timeless Tony Storm and Chris Statlander are here to strip naked.
Okay, enough! Enough!
And Tony Storm doing what she does best and making things sexual.
Good, meet me in the ring.
And then they go to the ring to immediately beat each other up and make out and sexually flirt with each other. And you know how Tony Storm feuds work, people. Just make it gay. And if it's not gay enough, just make it gayer.
He needs me, 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 he needs me.
And look, it's the main character of AEW. It's Jungle Jack Perry with his Jungle Jack knife and his Jungle Jack block of wood with his Jungle Jack lore and his Jungle Jack face and his reanimated dinosaur Luchasaurus with his wisdom like. Apparently, Ricochet's gang is called The Demand. And here's the group that goes.
Hey, yo, we hurt people. We hurt people. We hurt.
I think they hurt people. Looks like TK watched some old Lucha Underground and filmed a cinematic dialogue exchange between Moxley and Darby with horror undertones underneath. And remember how I said Jon Moxley is one of the best actors in wrestling and how I think wrestlers can be these great actors? No. I changed my mind. And look, it's Roderick Strong.
Wait, what? What happened?
I pressed the wrong button. I'm so sorry.
And oh, it's Don Callis.
Wait, what? What happened?
I pressed the wrong button. I'm so sorry.
Oh, look, it's Jurassic Express, yes! Luchasaurus and Tarzan Man, Jungle Jack Perry. It generally feels like it's the character arc of a boy who was raised by a dinosaur in a jungle, who got corrupted by modern life, and eventually found his way back to the jungle. And fought a Pepsi Man somewhere along the way. And it's the god, Kenny Omega. We are seated, and we always use the beautiful Kim Min Hee to represent how seated we are to watch the god Kenny Omega.
Soy un hombre muy honrado que me gusta lo mejor. A mujeres no me falta ni el dinero ni el amor. Jineteando en mi caballo por la sierra yo me voy. Las estrellas y la luna ellas me dicen dónde voy. Ay, 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 mi amor. Ay, mi morena de mi corazón.
Yo, I've been sleeping on Hetchy here. He kicks ass.
Me gusta tocar guitarra, me gusta cantar el son. Mariachi me acompaña cuando canto mi canción. Me gusta tomar mis copas, aguardiente es lo mejor. También el tequila blanco con su sal le da sabor.
And now, Bryan Danielson talks technology.
I empathize with Okada there. I'm not great with technology and a very fine technical wrestler, if I do say so.
Well, at the home, people change the channel for Shivani.
Well, so what?
Jack Perry, go! Jack! Okay, film is over. Bye, Kim Min Hee. And welcome in this evil goth gremlin with the Undertaker fangirl Sky Blue and Julia Hart of the Triangle of Madness. She's facing Jamie Hayter, looking like she's about to drop acid and head to Austin Powers' pad. What do you think, gremlins? Sky Blue hit a freaking sliced bread, people, but the future incarnation of Doctor Who gave her a huge lariat, and then the Haterade, and then couldn't stop making out with her arms. It started getting really weird. Speaking of weird, it's people's reaction to 10 belts money. It's Ultimo Money. See, people, this, the CEO, is performing a hostile takeover over all wrestling belts from across the world. This version of Money has been the symbol of corporations for a while now, but never mind that. It's a super sexy, super good-looking, handsome, former alcoholic, dark and broody, but still super sexy, good-looking, handsome cowboy villain now. The super sexy cowboy champion hero man is just gonna be an announcer man. And oh, it's Sammy Guevara.
Wait, what? What happened?
I pressed the wrong button. I'm so sorry.
And as Samoa Joe looked Hangman in the eyes, the one thought that went through his mind was...
Hey, oh,
He was aggressive from
And that's it for Dynamite. Technically, this last hour is Collision, and TK here is trying to trick this American into watching Collision. Oh, look, it's Yuta and Unfun Dan with Marina Shafir, and they look like some generic metalcore band. But their theme song sounds like this from Grandma's Boy. Look, people, it's the Megasurs, this gargantuan Amazonian Megan. And oh, it's Harley Cameron.
Right now!
So I haven't seen much Harley Cameron in the ring, but I highly enjoyed this. She isn't a peak athlete or anything, but she works hard and shows a lot of character in her wrestling. But she's facing the Megasurs, the Amazonian Megan here completely obliterates the Catwoman for goddamn Mech5. But Harley Cameron kicks out? She kicks out! What the hell? On hour 3 of Collision, Harley Cameron, a cat lady, a ventriloquist, kicked out of the F5 of Megan Bain. But it was all for nothing because she was dead anyways, and she ate a very evil running Liger bomb that folded her over and destroyed her for good. The Megasurs! And now, the main event of this recap, featuring the future world champion, a man with the name Kyle Fletcher. Like Fletcher Reed and Liar Liar. Come on, people.
It's just it.
Oh my God, it's Fletcher.
No, this has nothing to do with Fletcher.
It's Fletcher.
The Proto Star, Kyle.
Wait, what? What happened?
I pressed the wrong button. I'm so sorry.